Hi, my name's Tom Hudd. I look after, responsible for the Apprentices at IRG. I've been working in the automotive industry for in excess of 30 years. I worked for Dark Line Group for circa 20 years and instigated their apprentice programme for DLG Auto Services, formerly known as UK Assistance. I was appointed chair of Trailblazers for single discipline apprenticeships. I worked for Thatcher Research for 2.5 years, in which time the Trailblazers successfully launched single discipline apprenticeships in 2018. I now work for IRG, Innovative Repair Group, since December 2018. Last year we had 7 apprentices and 2 of those have now graduated. September 2019 we recruited 13 apprentices, and I'm happy to say that during the course of next week we'll be showing videos of the MET apprentices, panel apprentices and paint apprentices. I hope you enjoy the videos next week, and it's to celebrate the apprentices in the industry and to show what IRG are contributing to that push.